how to log into your Badminton World Federation account. Here, the very first thing you want to do is simply get your BWF fan application on your mobile through your App Store or Google Play, or you can simply visit the website system.bwf/backend/site/login and then browse it. So when you browse it, you'll be able to successfully get into your login page of your Badminton World Federation account. All you need to do is add in your username or your email and then the password of your account. Then from here, if you tap on login, you will successfully be able to log into your account. If you're on the application, you'll actually be able to get that sign in or register button on the very first page. Tap on that one and then you can simply enter all of your registered email address and password. And just like that, when you tap on login, you will successfully be able to log into your Badminton World Federation account. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.